Hello guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to access unlimited emails. Alright, access unlimited emails for your email marketing purpose. Alright, depending on the country you are looking for, US, Canada, depending on the country, alright, I'll be showing you how you can access all these unlimited emails. And the good thing about it is that you're not paying a single dime for any of it. You're not paying a dime for any of this process. All right. So all you need to do is to follow me while we do this together. I tell you, it will be a step-by-step process. All right. But before we begin, all right, if you come across my channel for the first time, my name is Amadi Etiosa, all right, popularly called Mr. Expert. All right, here's my YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I have amazing content on my YouTube channel, ready from how to acquire digital skills, make money online, and run Facebook and design all kinds of websites. All right, so you have all of them on this website. So just come over to this site, subscribe, and make sure you smash that notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. All right, so having said that, let's begin. All right, so the site you're going to be looking at is called retreating.net. This is the site. It's called retreating.net. Right. So once you come to this site, remember, don't worry, I will drop the link in the description of this video. All right. So once you come over to this site, retreating.net. Okay. So once you come over to the site, you can see there are different countries. You have South Africa. You can see they have a lot of countries here. You can see depending on the country you want to access the emails. Right. Depending on the country you want to access the email. So you can see all of them here. Right, you can see all of them: United Kingdom, US, Canada, Afghanistan, Algeria, Angola, Argentina, Armenia, Aruba, Australia, Austria. All right, you can see so many of them. You can see so many of them. All right, so once you come over to this site, then select the country you want to access the email from. All right, access the email from. So let's go with, first of all, let's start with probably let's say Canada. Okay, I want to get emails from the country Canada. Then what country are we looking at? There are different part of Canada. You have Ontario and the rest of them. So I'll just say Ontario. You can see that. I'll just put Ontario. Educational qualification, I can just select all. Right? You can see they have master's degree, doctorate degree, and the rest of them. All right, I just select all candidates. Then you come over to this side and select the occupation. All right, what kind of occupation are you looking for? Is it CEO, managing director, consultant, doctors, any of them? Right, you can select the qualification. That's the job title. All right, the job title. So I'll come over to this part. I'll just select manager. Right, I just say manager. All right, can you see as you are typing the details in there, the name there, it will definitely give you different options. You can see manager, manager or director or CEO. All right, you can see that. So you can also exclude some keywords. All right, you can also exclude some keyword. And then if you are looking for email from a particular organization, you can see that if you want to put a particular company, let's say you want to get emails from people that are working with Google or people that are working with PayPal. All right, these are different companies, Facebook and the rest of them. You want to get emails from them, you can select the current employer. All right, so if you just leave this two part empty, that means you are open to any kind of employers. All right, open to any type of employer. All right, so once you are done putting all these categories, then click on find the right people on LinkedIn. All right, find the right people on LinkedIn. So once I click on this, it will generate a link for me. All right, generate a link for me. This is the link. All right, you can see that. So just copy this link. Okay, copy the link and come to Google. All right, but before then, before we copy the link, you need to have an extension called Email Extractor. All right, before you copy the link, you need to have an extension called Email Extractor. This is the Email Extractor. All right, it's a Google Chrome extension. All right, Google Chrome extension. So let me just click on it so you see it's called Email Extractor. All right, just come to your Google Chrome and search for Email Extractor. All right, Chrome extension. Good. Can you see that there? Just search for the Email Extractor Chrome extension. Okay, so just do that. Okay, just click on. You can see it's a Chrome extension. So just click on that. All right. So once you are done, so you click on it to add it to your Chrome extension. All right. So let me just wait. Okay. So once you type the name on Google, you will get different link. Okay. But then the one we are looking for, there are different type of email extractor. All right. You can see the icon here. All right, this is the icon. So we need to be careful with the particular one we are looking for. So I'll just open these three links. All right, open them in a new browser. All right, open them in a new browser. So I'll also open this. All right, so as to get the correct extension. All right, they are free. They are free. All right, you're not paying for it. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, good. Can you see the icon here? This is the icon. This is the icon. So all you need to do is to add it to your Chrome extension. Can you see that free download for Chrome for Google Chrome is free? All right, it's free. Already I have it in my own, so I don't need to download again. But this is the particular extension you need to download. All right, so once you download it, you can add it to your Chrome. So once you add it there, you can come back to this part and click on pin. This means pin. All right, it means pin. So you now pin it to your Chrome here. It will be appearing here like this. All right, it's very, very easy. So just get access to that and you are good to go. All right, you are good to go. So now that you have gotten that, so let's move ahead. So I'll remember I'll copy the link I got from recruiting.net. So once I copy the link, all right, so let me just hold. All right, so this is the link. All right, so this is it. I'll copy it. All right, you can as well click on open in Google. All right, but I prefer to copy mine. I'll just copy mine. I'll come over to it like this. Then I'll paste. All right, then I'll paste. Okay, so once you paste it, right, they will not feature the email you are looking for. So all you need to do is to do a little bit of editing. Then come over to where you have okay, come over to where you have after profile. You can see profile here. Right, after profile, you can paste the just come here, put these two hyphen, right? Put these two hyphen, then come over to in between the hyphen and put at, right? If it's Gmail you want, put at gmail.com, right? Something like this at gmail.com. They will give you emails in line with that, right? So that is what you need to do. Just go to, you can as well copy the link and paste it on your notepad and edit that little part. Just add it. Okay, so once I do this now, I will just hit on search. Okay, I'll hit on search. So they will help me to filter emails, right? That has at gmail.com. Can you see that now? At gmail.com, right? At gmail.com, at gmail.com. Okay, so it will help me to filter those emails out, right? It's still loading. Okay, good. All right, meaning that they are okay. All right, so once you type the name here, let me just edit it a little bit. Okay, so once you type at gmail.com, remember to put a little space. Remember it was like this, just create a little space in between them so that this can stand on its own. All right, just put it there at gmail.com. Okay, so once you do that, you can hit on search. All right, now let me do another one. Let me just put it at yahoo.com. Yahoo.com. All right, let me do that. So once I do that, I'll just paste the link and hit on the search bar. All right, so you can see it will help to filter emails out. All right, so look at it. Let's see the number of emails we have gotten. Can you see 25 emails? All right, 25 emails. So just click on this like this. Okay, you can see all the emails. All right, it's very, very easy. You can see all the emails. All right, so what I will do is I'll copy them. I'll copy them to my notepad. Can you see that? Remember, if your Gmail is also logged in there, it will also appear. Okay, so you can see all these. These are all Yahoo mails. All right, you can see all of them there. All right, so these are all Yahoo mails. Or better still, just click on this icon to copy all. Can you see that? I'll just copy all. Then I'll come to Notepad. All right, this is it. Then paste it here. Okay, so once you paste, you can remember to do some editing. Remove all this at 222. So just do that. Okay, you can see that now you have gotten a lot of emails. You have gotten a lot of emails. So can you see all of the emails? These are um legit emails. All right, you can see Yahoo Mail, Yahoo Mail, Yahoo Mail. Now, if you are done with that, also come back here. All right, also come back to that same place. All right, come here. The same place you just edited. Remember we use Yahoo, so you can also come here and search for Outlook or Hotmail. All right, you can come here now, search for Hotmail. All right, just do Hotmail, Hotmail. Okay, hotmail.com. All right, just do hotmail.com. Okay, so this is what you do. Now, this is it. How many have we gotten here? So you can see this, the last one we did was 25. So let's look at how many now we're going to get from this. This is also 25. Oh, this is 27. Can you see that? 27. All right, 27 emails. This is messed up. Okay. All right, so you can see it now. This is 27 hot. Can you see all of them? This is the email at hotmail.com. Okay, sometimes network can be can mess the whole thing up, so that's the reason why you're having that. All right, so you can see all of them at hotmail. All right, so now you also have to copy them again the same way we did the other time. Copy all. Then I'll come to my notepad and also make sure I paste. All right, I'll also make sure I paste. So I'll just remove all these two. Okay, then I'll also remove this. Okay, so you can see that with this now I've gotten over 50 emails. All right, over 50 emails. So this is how to access unlimited emails for your email marketing purpose. And I tell you, these are legit emails. Okay, so you can go ahead and follow this process and get access to emails as you want. So once you are done with the first one we did, which is manager, also come back to this part and look for a different profession. It can be CEO, it can be consultant, it can be an engineer. All right, so you also come back here, get a new one. All right, remember we did manager, so you can just come here. All right, just close this. All right, then come back here and search a different profession. All right, so if you are done with that, you want to go to a different country, you can also come here, get a link for the different country. All right, and make sure you follow the process one after the other. The link, the site is Recruiting. Let me copy it. This is the site. It's called recruiting.net. All right, so once you come over to Recruiting, then you can go ahead and get emails as you want. Can you see that? All right, this is it. It's still loading. Okay, can you see that? It's called recruiting.net. All right, recruiting.net. So you can do that. Just search for the country, put the keywords you are looking for, the job title, all right, then and go ahead and search for the right people on LinkedIn. Okay, this is how to access unlimited emails for your email marketing purpose. All right, so you can do that and see how you can promote your business via email. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please do well to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. If you have any other challenge, do well to drop in the comment section, and I will be glad to help you fix it. Okay, thank you so much. See you in my next video.